As we all know, waking early morning is a very hardest part. So today I have my yoga class and I'm going to show you the rest of the day. Yeah, I'll be preparing the same exact meals most of the times. Sometimes it changes, and this is my work desk. Good morning, guys. So this vlog is about a realistic weekday in my life. A few snippets of what I do, what I work, what I cook, and how my 9 to 5 and after 9 to 5 is going to be. As we all know, waking early morning is a very hardest part. But yeah, these days I'm executing that, and I recently started doing yoga, which really is very good for me, especially because it's so relaxing after the work or early in the morning. So today I have my yoga class and I'm going to show you the rest of the day. So let's go now. Even in April, London is so cool, oh my god, and today is so windy, as you can see here. Finished my yoga session, so I have to cook a quick breakfast now before I start my work. So today I'm going to make an Indian breakfast called upma. It's quick and yeah, it's healthy too, as it's with wheat. So yeah, going to do that. And also I started doing weekly meal planners because it's such a gem, I would say. It's really helping me a lot in time saving, and also like every day I shouldn't think like what I should cook. So on Sunday evening or Sunday night before I go to bed, I just think what day I have to eat what meal. So I just quickly write everything, so I'll be preparing the same exact meals most of the times. Sometimes it changes, but yeah, I'll try to do that most of the times within the same the meal planner that I prepared. So yes, this is my breakfast: some upma with some peanuts and avocado and some chutney, and my coffee. Yeah, and I also recently started doing a daily planners. So yeah, every night I just quickly write what I have to do the very next day, so I don't forget things. I'm trying, but I would say I'm not consistent, but I would really like to be consistent and need to see what will I do. And this is my work desk. Yes, and yeah, usually I will have my iPad. Sometimes I just listen to music while working, or I'll just have some timer, because yeah, I'll just keep some time like around like half an hour or 45 minutes so I can work without any distractions for that particular period of time. We all know that we will be getting distracted, and I will a lot of times because I have a very beautiful window next to me, and where I can see the whole the street. So I can see people going here and there and everything, so I'll be getting distracted most of the times. So yeah, this helps me sometimes, and I like music. So yeah, sometimes I'll be listening music while working. So see you in the evening again. So yeah, just finished my work, and so it's been a long day. I think I woke up at around like 6:30, and after so many days I woke up very early and I feel a bit tired today. So yeah, I just want to quick shower and cook the dinner. So see you after getting ready. Yes, I got ready, and this is my new PJ set, which I bought it in India while I recently visited. And also, if you have seen my last vlog, I bought some nice scented candles, so I'm going to lit that and play some music nice music in the background while cooking. And today's dinner is dal, yeah, and some with chapati and some veggies. So this is my day. And after dinner, I'll watch some TV. We are recently watching this show called Narcos, which is kind of a drugs that happened way back in Mexico. So yeah, and hope you all had a very good day, and see you again in another vlog. Bye, good night.